There we go. Making a video for Tracy. She wants to see the back. There's one horse, I mean dog. Hi babies, what are you doing? Huh? You guys okay? Yeah. It's a crazy storm, huh? There we go. Yeah. Everything looks fine. What you doing over there? No tree damage in the back at all whatsoever. Hi, beautiful.
You can't bite me.
Is he trying to bite you? What are you doing, silly? You being goof?
It's like, I don't know you. Can't have my coffee either.
Oh, he would love your coffee or your tea or anything.
My coffee.
Yeah. What you doing? I heard you making noise. What are you doing, beautiful? Yeah. Hi. Hi, baby girl. What are you doing, silly? You trying to smell me?
Smell something. You got whiskers. Almost as long as mine.
Almost. Let's see. Where's JoJo? What are you doing back there, buddy?
Where did that come from?
Huh? Yeah, we don't know where that come from.
A couple of them.
I didn't know telling where that came from.
Somewhere around. Probably from under the house.
Well, that or it could be from someone else's house.
It could be. Like his little shed got tore up.
They got some damage over there. Oops.
Got that empty spider right there. That'd be fun to
Hi, sweet
All
pea.
the plumbing pieces are still on the fence.